Thanks for tuning in for another Essential RC flight test, and here we have the new Hawker Hurricane, Mini Hawker Hurricane from our friends at hobbyking.com. And following in the line of the small warbirds they've been doing recently, like the Tempest, which wasn't out too long ago. Looks absolutely fantastic, this one. I really like the surface detailing on the back end of this Hurricane, showing kind of the wood structures underneath the skin as you would have had on the full size. Really nice. Comes with the pilot as well, and the 6-axis ORX gyro as well, which is on all the other small warbirds in the series that I've been flying, is really effective, and will be today with a little bit of wind that we've got. What the wind sock is, I don't know, we're about 10-15 miles an hour, so should really help. So let's get it in the sky and see how it flies. Just to add that, it does come with fixed landing gear, but I never fly with that because I don't like the way it's dangling down when I'm flying around. But if you want to add that, then you just push it in, and you've got 2 screws, retaining screws. That's up to you. But let's see how it flies, Carl. Ready? So it's not trimmed down, that's the first thing, although it's flying pretty nicely already. And as expected, it flies as well, if not better, than the earlier warbirds that we've had in the series. I do think with these ORX gyros that they do tune them for each model, so don't assume that you can move them between models. I think, and this one definitely works very well with this Hawker Hurricane. So look it up. The link is in the video description and in the pinned comment. Look it up. For the price, I think you'd be surprised what you get for this all-in-one package. You really just have to drop in your receiver, your transmitter and your LiPo. It does have the bombs underneath I'll just add, and you just press those in, and they do actually, when you're belly landing without the gear, they do protect the prop, so they're well worth fitting and do give it that scale-like appearance. So thanks for watching this Essential RC flight test. Thanks to Carl on camera again, and we'll be back with another flight test in the very near future. Thanks for watching.